Sustainable competitive advantage is a company's ability to outperform its competitors by creating more value for customers while maintaining high profitability. These advantages should not be easily implemented by competitors in the foreseeable future and are crucial in the success of a business. In order to build competitive advantages, there are 4 key success factors that work in accordance to achieve this goal: superior efficiency, superior quality, superior innovation, and superior customer responsiveness. Superior efficiency allows an organization to reduce costs. Superior quality enables the company to increase the price of saleable product. Superior customer service allows an organization to charge a higher price. And superior innovation is the creation of innovative products or processes, which enables the company to charge higher prices or lower unit costs. In order to achieve a competitive advantage, companies need to utilize these strategies to further develop their existing resources and capabilities. These specific factors are important in the strategic management of a company because they enable the company to achieve a measurable advantage over their competitors. For this analysis, the Australian supermarket chain Woolworths will be analysed to determine the impact of their strategic alignment and business decision on the common good, the environment, and society. Woolworths has multiple competitive advantages across each of the success factors. In terms of superior efficiency, they have centralized procurement processes and focuses on using an integrated cost leadership differentiation strategy. Woolworths is able to control its retail cycle, leading to innovation, efficiency, quality, and superior customer satisfaction. In order to develop a competitive edge, Woolworths has identified a vast range of markets and introduced a number of innovative processes to meet the specific needs of consumers. For example, supermarkets, liquor shops, petrol stations, and general merchandise. As well as this, Woolworths' strategic land acquisition in prime areas has enabled the company to gain a monopoly on the market by limiting participation of other competitors within the Australian supermarket sector. Woolworths has used superior innovation by incorporating market-leading strategies as well as incentives and promotions to minimize costs and increase sales efficiency. Consumers can also make purchases from their phones or have their goods delivered without leaving their homes, which differentiates them from other grocery store competitors. Woolworths has a competitive advantage through its marketing strategies, outstanding logistics systems, and highly organized supply chain management. Whilst this strategy has been successful for the company, Woolies continues to face serious competition from Coles and several other retailers. VRIO is another type of strategic framework tool used to evaluate the factors and resources that enable the sustainable competitive advantage of a company and leverage potential opportunities to increase business performance. The key focuses are value, rarity, imitability, and organization. When applied to Woolworths, the VRIO analysis shows that Woolworths places significant value in its local food products to create value for customers and on ensuring staff are highly trained to increase productivity for the company. Both of these provide only temporary competitive advantage as they are easily provided or imitated by market competitors. Woolworths' strength and scale of distribution networks and financial resources were found to be a sustainable competitive advantage as they are rare in the industry and difficult to imitate due to the amount of time and money a competitor would need to invest to compete. In terms of organization, financial resources are also used strategically to invest in the right places and to combat threats. Distribution networks has also been identified as organized and to contribute to the company's sustainable competitive advantage by ensuring that products are available across all outlets. The sustainable competitive advantage of Woolworths enable them to provide resources to positively contribute to society, the environment, and the common good. Their high profitability means they are able to use their resources to contribute to the environment and society through making large donations to charities, cutting emissions, and reducing plastics. Their efficient distribution network allows for an easier flow of goods to small towns and remote communities or those in need after natural disasters. These VRIO factors work to align with the overall business strategy. Woolies' business strategy has 3 primary focuses, which work in accordance with their functional strategies. They are to improve their customers' responsiveness, innovating and developing to meet their customers' needs, and to improve efficiency to create further customer value. By aligning strategic strategies, it can positively influence growth and development of a company, therefore assisting in reaching optimal corporate growth and sustainable competitive edge. Thus, companies that have a sustainable competitive edge, like Woolworths, have the resources in place that enable them to contribute to the society and the common good, whilst remaining competitive for a long term.